shopping. Mga pang-baby dito. Go straight lang daw baba. Yan dyan ang broom. Go straight lang. Go straight. Go straight. Hello, te. Okay. The broom. Look for the broom. Hinahanap yung broom. Doon, dito. Here. Wala. Ask ate there. Come on. Te! Nasa sentro daw baba. Sa sentro. Oh, shake us ate. Shake us muna.
On the back. On the back.
Ang Diyos ko, papabili niya talaga yung laro. Hindi na naglalaro ko. Which one?
No, ate, ate.
This one. Sino nga ito baba? Sabi mo? Sino to?
Ana.
Tsaka sino?
Ana.
Ana tsaka sino?
Eta.
Elsa.
No, pay. On the pay. On the pay. On the mom. On the pay. Ate, pay.
Sige. Okay. On your birthday, I'll buy you that one. Okay? On your birthday. When is your birthday? January? When is your birthday? January 4.
On the pay?
Okay, you're gonna pay that on January 4. Let's go to market, Baba. We're gonna buy your broom.
Pay?
Do you like that?
Pay?
Go. Pay for this.
Pay?
Are you sure you like that?
Pay.
Huh? Who do you want to give that?
No, pay. What?
Where? Sige na, bibili ko. Sige, let's pay for it. Then, pay mo na yan. Bibigyan tayo pambayad, oh. Pay for it.
Mami, pay, ma?
Go. Akala ko pa sa birthday niya. Ayaw na. Ngayon talaga gustong bilhin. Sige na. Pay for it. Sige na, go. Dali, pay it. Duman ka na, malaka. Linya baba. Doon ka sa cashier. Marunong na siya.
No, ma'am, no, rap.
Ararap pa natin ng gift. Para mo. Sige, rap.
Dip. Dip.
Ay, kanino ito gi-gift?
Atanta. Where Tanta? Baby.
Santa Claus coming on December.
Tendi.
Nag-change kami kasi. So, ayan, dito yun. Isa lang, isang piraso lang.
Dip Tanta.
Isang piraso lang pwede.
No, Dip Tanta. Diman na.
Here, follow ate. Kasi may bibigyan siguro si Jasa. Ayan. What color do you like, Bob? Do you like Jasa?
P.
Oh, you choose na.
P.
Ay, doon ka kay ate. Follow kay ate. May isa ka tumingin. Here. Uy, follow ate. Baba, uto si ate, baba, oh. Kukuha yun ng wrapper. Gift wrapper. Gift wrapper. One. You got this one. Oh, you choose only one. This one or this one? Which one you like? Diba yan, Dal? Which one do you like? This one or the doll? Come on, dali na sa gift wrap pa. Hindi, only one, baba, only one. You choose. Okay, that one na lang, si wrapper. Follow ate. Ayan, there you are. Ito na po.
Ma'am, the wrap.
Ito na, here. This is the one.
Wrap.
Balloon yan, balloon.
No, wrap, pop. On the pop.
Papak mo yung balloon.
No, bang. On the mom, on the pop.
Papa, natin, on Jasa's birthday, put many balloons and Jasa gonna pop it, okay? With fuel.
Apap.
Ipapak daw yan.
With
fuel daw, with fuel.
Apap.
Ipapak mo. Ano ba?
Baby,
gonna sit on the balloon.
Baby.
Okay, sabi na ate, okay. Isa lang siguro ito, pwede na. Isa lang. Only one. Let's pay na. Saan ka magbayad nito, te? Let's pay here. Gonna pay here. Here, gonna pay for that. Here. Here we go. Thank you. There. Wait. We'll pay for it. Wow.
Give Erin?
And then give it to Erin, okay?
Name, Amata.
Huh?
And name, baby name.
Erin.
No.
Leah.
Kento, baby.
Ay, Kenzo. Bibigyan niya. Irarap pa daw natin.
No, deep, ma'am, deep tender.
Yung binili namin. Dito na lang kasi
deep
hindi ko
tender.
uwi hanggang hindi ko
Ada,
marap.
ada. Wanda, wanda.
After.
Ada, eat ada.
Ay, ito show. May meron pa lang show. May
No,
dito.
one
Yung favorite
toma,
pa naman
one
ni Jazz.
toma, one
Okay,
toma.
after wrap the
One toma, one toma.
I'll buy you. Sige na. Cut mo naman. Sobra. Wrap niya pa. Oh, hurry up. Galing ni Jazz. Talagang siya pa nag-gift wrap. Hello. Grabe. Go. Ibibigay daw kay kay Miana.
Data.
Kay Jazz lang. Grabe naman to. Si Jazz, wala kaming plano bumili ng ganito.
No,
talaga.
deep yan. Oh, deep yan.
Dito kay Joanne. Sige na nga. Titignan natin. Bibili kay Joanne. Tapos dito pa, oh. Galingin mag-gift wrap. Okay. Ready? Go. Oh, si Jazz na. Here. Here. And here like this. Oh.
Imeda,
Okay naman. Okay, we go.
Budo.
Yes.
Baby doon.
Wow.
Deep down.
Gigib niya ta kay Joanne, ha? Gigib kay Joanne. Okay na. Next. One hand na lang si Mami kasi para ma-video natin ginagawa ni Jazz. Happy ka, baba?
Deep tanda.
Yeah. Are you happy?
Deep tanda. Deep
Gigib
tanda.
mo kay Santa Claus to. Sige na.
Ate. Deep tanda. Ate. Mommy, ate.
Good morning, te.
Mommy, ate.
Wow. Okay na yan.
Mommy,
Hold mo na this one. Finish. Wow, may gift na si Jazz. Picture na. Picture na kita. One. Smile. 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 About smile.